Good morning class. Today I want to describe about real number for class 10th exercise 1.4 question number 2nd part 5th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Today I want to describe about decimal expansions of rational number. It means I want to describe given rational number has terminating decimal expansions or non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. My words is clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. It is very easy. You can very easily solve your question. It means you can very easily find given rational number has terminating decimal expansions or non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about rational number because you can ask question to me what is rational number. Clear? A number which we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called rational number. Rational number are two types. First, terminating rational number. For example, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. 1 by 4 equal to 0.25. Second, non-terminating but repeating rational number. For example, 1 by 3 equal to 0.333 till infinite. 2 by 3 equal to 0.666 till infinite. Rational number is clear? No confusion about rational number? Very good. It is very easy. Rational number is very easy. Clear? Now you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Clear? See the board. NCERT real number class 10 exercise 1.4 question number 2nd. Write down the decimal expansions of those rational number in question first above which have terminating decimal expansions. Question is clear? No confusion about question? Very good. Question second is related question first. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here, part 29 upon 343. It means you find 29 upon 343 has terminating decimal expansions or non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Firstly, you factorize denominator. Clear? Factorization is very easy. Clear? See the book. 343 divided by 7. You find 49. Now you divide 49 by 7, you find 7. You divide 7 by 7, you find 1. It means factor of 343 equal to 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 equal to 7 power 3, because here 7 is 3 times. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the book. Solution. Decimal expansions of rational number. Clear? 29 upon 343 equal to 29 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. 3 times, because here 7 is 3 times. Clear? Here 7 is factor of other than 2 or 5. Hence 29 upon 343 has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. It is clear? Here 7 is factor of other than 2 or 5. It means 29 upon 343 has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. You can find the solution of any question by the help of this solution. Clear? This solution is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy? Very good. Okay.